Sumerian archaeological finds. The Warka Vase. Welcome to the ancient city of Uruk, Mesopotamia, where a remarkable artifact, the Warka Vase, takes us back to 3200 BCE. Crafted from alabaster, this 3-foot-tall vase is more than a relic. It's a window into Sumerian life. The intricate carvings narrate stories of daily routines, religious ceremonies, and offerings to the goddess Inanna, the Mesopotamian goddess that symbolized love, war, and fertility. The carvings on the Warka Vase showcase scenes of everyday life in Sumer. This includes depictions of people engaged in farming, trade, and communal gatherings, providing a snapshot of their daily routines. Carvings related to farming activities provide information about the agricultural practices of the Sumerians. This includes scenes of plowing, sowing, and harvesting, offering a glimpse into their dependence on agriculture. Preserved in museums today, the Warka Vase stands as proof of the rich history of Mesopotamia, providing a tangible link to the lives and customs of those who lived over 5,000 years ago. The Standard of Ur and the Royal Tomb Cemetery. Step into the ancient wonders of Mesopotamia with the Standard of Ur, a fascinating relic from 2600 BCE. This ceremonial masterpiece, crafted from shell, lapis lazuli, and red limestone, reveals a tale of both war and peace. One side beautifully presents Sumerian warriors and chariots in action, while the other showcases scenes of joy, banquets, and music. It provides a snapshot of their complex society. The amazing artifact was found at the Royal Cemetery of Ur by a British archaeologist called Sir Leonard Woolley in the 1920s. This cemetery is famous for housing the remains of elite people from Mesopotamian society, and it dates back to around 2600 BCE. Along with the Standard of Ur, excavations revealed treasures, including jewelry and artifacts, that showed brilliant craftsmanship. It provides a unique window into Mesopotamia's historic society. Cylinder seals from the Royal Cemetery of Ur. Step into the mesmerizing world of the Royal Cemetery of Ur, where ancient cylinder seals unlock the secrets of Mesopotamian life. Dating back to around 2600 BCE, these small yet powerful artifacts were discovered in the graves of Mesopotamian royals. They offer us a unique window into their world. Crafted from precious metals like lapis lazuli and hematite, these cylinder seals served as personalized signatures for the royalty. The seals bear remarkable engravings depicting scenes of daily life, mythology, and religious rituals. The level of detail showcases the artistry of the ancient craft. These seals weren't just decorative, they played a crucial role in Mesopotamian organization. Rolled onto clay, they left behind an impression, authenticating documents or sealing possessions. Each cylinder seal tells a unique story, from the divine to the mundane, providing a rich tapestry of Mesopotamian culture. The Lyres from Ur. Welcome to a captivating journey into the musical past, where we explore the bull-headed lyre of Ur. The bull-headed lyre of Ur was discovered in the Royal Cemetery of Ur. Dating back to around 2600 to 2350 BCE, this lyre boasts a stunning gold and silver bull's head, symbolizing strength and vitality. Its delicate inlay work on the soundbox tells tales of mythological creatures and the sacred tree of life. A celebration of life and music in ancient Sumer, weaving together music, mythology, and craftsmanship. Today, these timeless relics connect us to the musical and artistic legacy of ancient Mesopotamia, resonating across thousands of years. We hear the echoes of a civilization that celebrated life through the harmony of art and music. Epic of Gilgamesh. Ever wondered how ancient Mesopotamians wrote? Enter cuneiform. Developed around 3500 BCE, cuneiform is one of the earliest writing systems. The term cuneiform comes from the Latin words cuneus, meaning wedge, and forma, meaning shape, as the writing is characterized by wedge-shaped impressions made on clay tablets. The Epic of Gilgamesh is one of the oldest known cuneiform works in human history, originating from ancient Mesopotamia at around 2100 BCE. The earliest versions of the Epic of Gilgamesh were likely composed in Sumerian. The poem is about Gilgamesh, a powerful ruler who grapples with his mortality, driven by a quest for immortality following the loss of his dear friend Enkidu. Stele of Hammurabi. The Stele of Hammurabi is an ancient Babylonian artifact erected by King Hammurabi about 1754 BCE. This black diorite pillar stands over 7 feet tall and bears a comprehensive code of 287 laws. The stele serves as a significant legal document, providing insights into the cultural and legal practices of ancient Mesopotamia, specifically Babylon. Yet its importance transcends political boundaries. Mesopotamia, including both Sumer and Babylon, shared a common cultural heritage. Sumer, the cradle of civilization, had a profound impact on the region. Hammurabi's code, though Babylonian, echoes Sumerian legal traditions, showcasing an ongoing tradition. Close location and sharing of ideas between Sumerian city-states and Babylon facilitated the blending of traditions. The Akkadian language of the stele, influenced by Sumerian, underlines the interconnectedness of these cultures. So while the Stele of Hammurabi is a Babylonian artifact, its cultural relevance extends to the heart of Sumerian heritage.